Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you wooden crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today video, viewers, wooden crafts. Friends, look at some beautiful wooden crafts. Wooden crafts are simple, natural, and very charming. Many people love wooden decoration because they make a home feel warm and cozy. Wood is the strong and useful materials. You can make many creative things with wooden. Even small wooden piece can become beautiful art. One popular idea is wooden wall decoration. Small wooden shapes can be painted and placed on the wall. You can paint flowers, birds, tree, or simple patterns. This makes the wall look creative and handmade. Another lovely idea is a wooden photo frame. A wooden photo frame can hold your favorite family picture. You can decorate the frame with paint, beads, or small carvings. Handmade photo frame also very popular. Wonderful gifts, but wooden candles are very popular. A small wooden block with a space for a candles can create a warm and relaxing light. This candle holder look very beautiful on dining tables, coffee tables, or in side tables. And friends, I hope you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon